My topic is digital marketing and online advertising in detail explain, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Digital marketing and online advertising are essential components of modern marketing strategies, leveraging the internet and digital technologies to reach and engage target audiences. They provide businesses with various tools and platforms to promote their products or services, increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, and generate leads or sales. Let's break down these concepts. 1. Digital marketing. Digital marketing encompasses all marketing efforts that use electronic devices or the internet to connect with potential customers. It is a broad term that includes a range of strategies and tactics. Some of the key components of digital marketing are: search engine optimization, SEO, the process of optimizing a website to improve its visibility in search engine results. The goal is to rank higher in organic, non-paid, search results for relevant keywords and phrases. Content marketing, creating and distributing valuable and relevant content, such as blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, to attract and engage a target audience, with the ultimate goal of driving profitable customer action. Social media marketing, utilizing social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others to promote products or services, build brand awareness, and interact with the audience. Email marketing, sending targeted email campaigns to potential and existing customers to nurture relationships, provide updates, and promote products or services. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, running online ads in which advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. Google Ads is a popular platform for PPC advertising, but there are others as well. Affiliate marketing, partnering with other businesses or individuals, affiliates, who promote your products or services and earn a commission for each sale or lead they generate. Marketing, collaborating with influencers, individuals with a significant online following, to promote products or services to their audience. 2. Online advertising. Online advertising refers specifically to the promotion of products, services, or brands through digital channels. It involves paying for ad space on websites, social media platforms, search engines, or other online platforms to reach a targeted audience. Some common types of online advertising include display advertising, visual ads, banners, images, videos, placed on websites, often with the help of ad networks, to reach a specific target audience. Search engine marketing, SEM, running paid search ads that appear at the top of search engine results for specific keywords, typically through platforms like Google Ads. Social media advertising, placing ads on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, using their ad targeting options to reach specific demographics or interests. Video advertising, running ads before, during, or after online videos on platforms like YouTube or streaming services. Native advertising, creating ads that blend in with the content and format of the platform on which they are displayed. Digital marketing and online advertising provide businesses with valuable opportunities to reach their target audience more effectively, measure the success of their campaigns, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their marketing efforts. These strategies are constantly evolving with advancements in technology and consumer behavior, so staying up to date with the latest trends and best practices is crucial for marketers in today's digital landscape. Digital marketing and online advertising are essential components of a successful online business strategy. They involve promoting products, services, or brands using various digital channels to reach and engage with a target audience. Here's an overview of digital marketing and online advertising. Digital marketing. Digital marketing refers to the overall strategy of promoting products or services using digital channels. It encompasses various tactics to build brand awareness, attract customers, and generate leads or sales. Some common digital marketing channels and tactics include: A. Search engine optimization, SEO, the process of optimizing a website's content, structure, and technical aspects to improve its visibility on search engine result pages, SERPs, and attract organic, non-paid, traffic. B. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC, advertising model where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. This includes search engine advertising, for example, Google Ads, and display advertising, for example, banner ads. C. Content marketing, creating and distributing valuable and relevant content to attract and engage a target audience. This includes blog posts, articles, videos, podcasts, and social media content. D. Social media marketing, leveraging social media platforms, for example, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, to promote products or services, build brand awareness, and engage with customers. E. Email marketing, sending targeted emails to prospects or customers to build relationships, drive conversions, and provide value through personalized content, promotions, or newsletters. F. Influencer marketing, collaborating with influential individuals or content creators to promote products or services to their audience. G. Affiliate marketing, partnering with affiliates who promote products or services on their platforms and earn a commission for each sale or lead they generate. Online advertising. Online advertising refers specifically to paid promotional activities conducted on digital channels. It involves displaying ads to targeted audiences to drive traffic, increase brand visibility, and generate leads or sales. Some common online advertising channels and formats include: A. Search engine advertising, placing text or display ads within search engine results, for example, Google Ads, Bing Ads, based on specific keywords or targeting criteria. B. Display advertising, placing banner, video, or interactive ads on websites, mobile apps, or social media platforms. C. Video advertising, running ads before, during, or after online videos on platforms like YouTube or through in-stream video ads on various websites. D. Social media advertising, running ads on social media platforms to reach specific target audiences based on demographics, interests, or behaviors. E. Native advertising, promoting content or ads that blend with the platform's user experience, making them less intrusive and more engaging. F. Remarketing/retargeting, showing targeted ads to people who have previously interacted with a website or app but haven't completed a desired action, for example, making a purchase. G. Programmatic advertising, automated buying and selling of online ads using real-time bidding and targeting technologies. Digital marketing and online advertising provide businesses with powerful tools to reach their target audience, increase brand visibility, drive website traffic, and achieve specific marketing objectives. It's crucial to develop a comprehensive strategy that combines various channels and tactics to maximize effectiveness and achieve desired outcomes. Digital marketing and online advertising are two closely related terms that are often used interchangeably. However, they refer to slightly different aspects of promoting products or services online. Digital marketing encompasses all marketing efforts that utilize digital technologies, such as websites, social media, search engines, email, and mobile apps, to reach and engage with a target audience. It involves the creation and distribution of digital content in various forms, such as articles, videos, infographics, and social media posts, to attract and engage potential customers. Digital marketing strategies often focus on building brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, and ultimately converting leads into loyal customers. Online advertising, on the other hand, specifically refers to paid promotions and advertisements placed on digital platforms. This includes various forms of advertising, such as display ads, search engine marketing, SEM, social media advertising, influencer marketing, and sponsorship deals. Online advertising aims to reach a specific audience and generate immediate results, such as website clicks, conversions, or purchases. While digital marketing encompasses a broader range of activities, online advertising is a subset of digital marketing that focuses specifically on paid promotions. However, online advertising is an integral part of most digital marketing strategies, as it offers a targeted and measurable way to reach a larger audience and drive specific actions. In summary, digital marketing is the wider umbrella term that encompasses all marketing efforts conducted online, while online advertising is a specific tactic within digital marketing that involves paid promotions and advertising. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.